Perfectionism is such a curse and it will rob you of all your creative energy if you let it. It pretty much robbed me of most of my creative energy in my 20s, really prevented me from making all the art that I actually wanted to make. And that's why we talk so much about it here on this channel. This YouTube channel would not exist without this one trick that I use to overcome my perfectionism. And that one trick is that I treat every video as if it's a practice round. I tell myself that, hey, you can put out this video and then redo it later. Just treat everything almost like it's a practice round, even if it's not fully true, right? So I almost like gaslight myself, lie to myself in a way to like prevent myself from getting into that spiral where you keep trying to make things better and not actually put out stuff. So if you're struggling with your art practice, it might be that you're putting so much pressure on each drawing. Each drawing has to be a final drawing. And that's way too much pressure to put on any piece of artwork, right? The way to like reduce some of that pressure is to treat it like a practice round. Be like, okay, I'm going to do this drawing and I'm going to put in effort into it, right? I'm not going to just like phone it in and not actually put in effort. I'm going to put in effort. But if it turns out poorly, I'm allowed to redo it because this is a practice round. This is just a practice round. No one's going to see this. It's not going to matter because I'm going to do a better version in the future. And I use this tactic constantly. For every drawing I do, for every video that I make, I say like, okay, I don't like this. This could be so much better if I just put in more effort, but I'll stop myself and be like, no, but this is a practice round. The real video I'll make in the future, right? So I keep convincing myself that as my skills will improve, I'll go back and redo some of the videos, I'll redo some of the art. And this could actually be true. It can become true in your mind that like every piece of art that you make is just an experiment. It's just you developing the skill so that you eventually can make the perfect piece. I know that this trick isn't going to work for all of you, but it is a trick that helps initially. Now, this isn't going to solve all of your perfectionism, but I do think that it's enough to get you over that initial hump of just like, oh my God, I just need to put this work out there. I just need to finish this piece. Let's just think of it as a practice round so that I don't feel like I need to make it perfect and just overcome it that way. And it's helped me a ton. Like this channel would not exist if I didn't treat every video as if it's a practice round. In my mind, I'm always telling myself, I'm going to make a better video than this in the future. Like even this video in my mind right now, I'm thinking this is going poorly, but don't worry. 2 years from now, when we're better at the speaking skills, we'll redo this video. And when the drawings are better, we'll redo the whole video. So it doesn't matter. This is just temporary. And this idea of things being temporary makes it a little bit easier, right? I do think that part of why perfectionism is such a difficult thing to shake off is because we think of things as permanent, right? This piece of art has to be perfect because it's a permanent piece of work that people are going to judge me for. If you treat things a little bit more like temporary, it becomes a little bit easier to like overcome some of those problems. If you do want to solve some of your deeper perfectionistic tendencies, check out my inner artist course where we start off the course with some of the exercises that I use to overcome a lot of my perfectionistic tendencies. Like to overcome perfectionism is quite difficult. It is deeper than just this trick. I'm not pretending like this one trick is going to solve all of it, but it does help me a lot. It does work for this YouTube channel, but there are deeper things that we can do, deeper exercises that we can go through in terms of like questioning your expectations and stuff. So if you are interested in that, check out the inner artist course and also check out the free lesson below on perfectionism. I'll see you in the next video.